in any state or stage, we used to just take challenges as anything. But from leadership training, I've learned that actually there is a challenge which doesn't have a solution there and then, which you have to change your lifestyle. That is how I learned about the existence of an adaptive challenge and a technical challenge which you can easily find solutions for.
Technical challenge, the problem and the solution is clear.
In technical challenges, the problem will be clear and the solution will also be clear. Then in adaptive challenges, the problem will be clear but the solution will be not clear.
The difference between technical challenges and adaptive challenges is that adaptive challenges are challenges that have a clear problem but don't have a clear solution, whereby technical challenges are challenges whereby there's a clear problem and a clear solution.